Hello everyone, my name is Mackenzie and I work here at MCR Medical. Today I'm going to be unboxing our most popular AED trainer, the PRESTAN AED UltraTrainer. So, what's in the box? Your PRESTAN AED UltraTrainer includes one PRESTAN UltraTrainer, one set of pre-connected adult-child pads, 4 extra black connector pins, a nylon carrying case, and your instruction manual and quick start guide. I did want to note that the UltraTrainer is also sold in a 4-pack with 1 large carrying case for all 4 trainers. The PRESTAN AED UltraTrainer offers features not found on any other universal AED trainer and is the most accurate representation of how current AEDs in the marketplace perform. This compact and lightweight unit will give students a realistic training experience due to the pad sensing system that senses when training pads are placed on a mannequin. In addition, the pads are pre-connected and the voice prompts are clear and calm. There are a couple of things I would like to note before we continue. The PRESTAN AED UltraTrainer is intended for training purposes only. It also requires 3 C batteries, which are not included. Batteries are inserted here. The AED trainer also comes with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. The UltraTrainer is up to date with current 2015 American Heart Association guidelines and is upgradable via a programming module should the guidelines ever change. Your UltraTrainer will come pre-programmed with 5 training scenarios and English-Spanish language options. The UltraTrainer also works well with all types of training mannequins and has clear graphics showing the correct anatomical placement for both adult and child patients. There is a child training button, which you can find here, as well as child AED specific voice prompts. The pads are designed to last approximately 100 sticks and are stored on a convenient double-sided pad tray. It is good practice to keep an extra set of pads on hand just in case you happen to need them during a training session. When storing the pads, please be sure that the pad sensors line up with the holes on the pad tray, right in the middle. Also included with your UltraTrainer are 4 extra black connector pins, which are used to connect the pads to the cables. We always have replacement pads and cables in stock, so if you are ever in need, please do not hesitate to contact us directly. I also wanted to mention that the PRESTAN AED trainer pads are universal, meaning the UltraTrainer pads will work with the AED2 trainer and vice versa. Here at MCR Medical, we handle all warranty claims on behalf of PRESTAN, so if you ever were to experience any issues with your AED trainer, please give us a call directly and we will be more than happy to get you taken care of with the appropriate replacement parts. Now, you'll know what to expect when you receive your PRESTAN AED UltraTrainer. For more quality CPR training products and accessories, please feel free to visit the MCR Medical storefront. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day.